Yan o, si Tol, nagpapasubscribe.
Hi!
Shout out naman. Wala, hindi na sa gift. Hi guys, nandito kami sa Hamdan. Mura lang daw ang kanilang mga paninda dito. Maraming watches at mga gamit pang vlog, mga cellphone. Ayan, sa mga cellphone nila mura-mura lang daw.
Mura-mura dito.
May mga microphone. Ito nga guys, oh, gusto kong bumili ng microphone.
10 million subscribers.
Pero yung ating itong si Kebergs Shubs Vlog ay bumili ng adapter niya kasi nga hindi siya. Give me the adapter. Ayan, ito yung binili ni Shubs Vlog, ang ating Kebergs.
Okay.
You check na, may
Yeah, I'm checking.
You check? Tinype mo yung ano.
Oo, yan. Also for me, shop vlog.
Yeah, I have one vlog already there up. Okay. O, see? Pinayagan akong mag-vlog dito, guys. So, masyado tayong maswerte ngayon. Outside daw muna at ipakita natin ang kanilang tindahan. Dito lang sa Swiss Mobile. Yeah, shout out daw kay Kuya. Swiss Mobile dito sa Hamdan. Nasa loob si Shubs Vlog. Bumibili. Ayan, meron silang ito. Marami. May mga salamin. Wow, ang ganda na ito. Ayan, ganda.
How much that one?
We are not providing. We are providing the strong one. Same,
How much?
some 350.
Really?
Amazing. Not the one. This one. This one 14 Pro Max. Lifetime guarantee.
What is that?
This one? No, not really. That one, the other one, I make that one.
Yung ganda ng mga watches nila, guys. Oh.
Most expensive plus.
Yeah, really, maybe that one.
Offer price, offer 50% discount.
Look, the one. How much?
Come na, my friend. You promote your store.
How much the mall? 200 plus.
Offer daw sila. 50% discount. May gusto akong bilhin dito, guys, yung meron silang latest na B9. Ito siya, guys, oh. Professional condenser microphone with patented audio. Yan.
Another one have place.
Where? Okay.
Mobile repairing also video na.
Oh, yeah, I have YouTube. I have YouTube.
Come here, YouTube.
10,000.
Video
Almost. Yeah. You open my YouTube.
8,000 only.
Yeah, I will upload this one in YouTube, okay? I have also friends. Ping Biahera.
I earn first. How much that?
Ping P-I-N-G. Biahera.
I want the one
No, Ping space B as in boy, Y
next time maybe
A H H E. Yeah, this one. Check. I will upload, my friend. Okay? I have also GC. I have friends in Abu Dhabi. And I will promote this. Maybe they want to come here. My friend, what you buy na? This one, gimbals.
But I have the good one.
This good?
This is the cheapest one.
Huh?
the good one.
The
Good
cheapest?
one is 500.
No,
really?
988.
No,
I saw 900.
Where? Which brand?
988.
Which brand?
I saw in Carrefour.
Which brand?
I forgot.
Just need to brand. There is so
Yeah.
many brands.
Okay.
This
I will check.
We are selling, recommending the customer about the Borrego gimbal. Borrego.
Borrego?
Yeah,
Good.
brand name. This is so good. Combo. It's complete.
Yeah, the combo.
Combo. It's
Good
come with the
also, yeah.
bag, everything, accessories.
Yeah.
for the-
Everything is inside. Parang maganda yan din. Shoes.
So you would need a gimbal.
Gimbal.
Yeah, for vlogging it's necessary.
How much this?
The Borrego.
Last price.
Borrego. The cheapest in the Borrego. This brand. The cheapest one is 350 dirham.
350.
Yeah.
Good quality na, ha?
This one, good one.
250.
My friend, where? Where? What's that?
Mobile repair.
Ah, okay. Ito yung ano nila. Meron din silang smartphone repair services. Oh, may WhatsApp number sila, guys. May pwede kayo magpaano ng water damage, yung mga cellphone, broken screen, batteries, power buttons, home buttons, antennas, headphones, ayan, mga broken glass. I-WhatsApp nyo na, guys. 10555. Ayan. WhatsApp lang. Ayan yung mga, this one, Ricardo, yeah? Second hand? Oh, this one nice. The microphone is big or same the other one? Is this one? This same like this?
Not same. This one big.
So how much this?
This one cheaper.
Cheaper than this?
Yes.
It's like bag? Have handle, yeah?
Both now. This one better. I'm doing
The
it.
two?
Yes.
I take this one later. Because I don't want to carry.
Buy Anchor. Have a shop win and gift.
Where?
Tell him Anchor.
Anchor,
Buy Anchor product.
power bank,
Yes.
and then the spray.
Yeah.
What is the spray?
One.
How much?
You buy Anchor product. You can.
How much the ano? Anchor?
Participate in draw. Okay.
Oh.
10x iPhone, 10x TV, 10x iPad. You can participate in the draw. You can buy one product. Participate in
Okay.
Anchor.
Pag bumili daw kayo guys ng power bank na Anchor dito sa shop nila, may chance kayong manalo ng kanilang mga prizes. Ayan.
What the promotion? If you shop here,
Pag bumili ka ng Anchor na ano,
You buy if you
power
buy one,
bank,
there is a raffle
may raffle draw, you have ticket and
next month.
the privilege to win this one, the prizes, the ano. Like,
There is
you
a
want
10
this
10
one,
iPhone, 10
this one,
iPhone,
this one, like that.
10 iPad.
Ano, bibilhin mo yung gimbals?
hindi wala pa akong budget. Hintayin ko yung tamara niya.
Ay, malapit na pala yung sahod. Yeah, in the end of the month, next month, we will come back. I want to buy
That
this,
one charger
but
Wi-Fi sa? For it's okay
Wireless?
for wireless, yeah.
This one also has.
how much the wireless
For wireless.
Yeah, yeah.
charger?
This is the wireless charger.
How much?
This is 250 but on promotion. This
Power bank also?
yeah,
Wireless and power bank
power
also.
bank. Yeah.
You just put the telephone?
If,
This
if
one.
your phone is
Wireless supported.
for,
Android, even Android phone?
If wireless charging support,
Oh.
it will work.
How about the Oppo Reno 6Z,
There is a
5G? I don't know where to find it. In the about telephone?
Yeah. About telephone or in the Google, you can search the specification. It's supported or no.
Supported with the wireless charger. We can use this one.
okay, my friend.
Thank you.
Are you buy na already?
Yeah, I got.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I will return the ano. I'll be back, ha?
Sure.
I put the battery in Madinat. How much? No, the
No,
Maxell.
5.
Maxell, yeah.
Yeah, this one 10 dirham. You put na.
Tapos na, natapos na.
Where? In Madinat. Why you not put here? You don't know.
Shop before.
Yeah, only me. I bring this one, my friend. You have to give me discount. Wala.
Okay, well.
Because I bring one customer for you.
Where the dispenser?
Which one? Oh, pwede rin kayo magpa-repair ng mga watches ninyo dito, guys.
In YouTube.
Yeah.
Which one name?
Ping Biyahera. Ping. You subscribe, ha? Watch first and then subscribe my channel. P-I-N-G.
Yeah.
N-G.
Bingo.
Space. And then, space na.
I'll check the video.
Okay.
Biyahera.
This one?
Yeah. Watch first, ha? And then subscribe my channel. My friend.
I may video also.
Don't forget. Ayan, kinuha na guys ang aking YouTube channel kasi nga pinapasubscribe natin sila. Yeah, you can watch na. And then subscribe. Watch the short video first. I will upload this one next week.
Not today?
Not today because I have scheduled next week for live premiere. I will send you the ano, bus. Kita. Okay?
Okay.
I will tag your ano.
Yeah, we have.
I will tag this one here in my YouTube in the description box.
Magtag?
Ha? Yan o, si Tol nagpapasubscribe. Don't subscribe.
Don't subscribe.
Don't subscribe their channel. Joke lang guys. I-subscribe nyo naman yan si Shob's Vlog.
This one?
Yan.
Watch the video?
Yan. Subscribe nyo dyan guys. Huwag nyo kalimutan guys. Yung Swiss Mobile Phones and Electronic Device. Ayan. Thank you for watching.
Wireless mic.
Yeah, how much wireless mic?
Wireless mic. Like,
Thank you for watching. Pinagpawisan na kami. Oh, kumuhay ka na kasi. Magpaalam na tayo.
Hello guys, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, Show Vlog.
And my channel also.
And subscribe Ping Biyahera. Hello, bye guys.
Yan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
I edit and I post on
Glug, 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 glug. Nauhaw si Tol. Uhaw na kakaikot.
short video.
Ayan na. Maraming salamat sa'yo, Kaberk, Shob's Vlog, sa pagkikita. Sana maulit muli. Okay.
Sana maulit mo.
Sa sunod na lang tayo kasi wala pa tayong sahod ngayon. Ayan, maraming salamat.
Yung mga long sleeve.